there, class. Today I'm going to teach you about the greenhouse effect. This video will include the cause and effect, how it's created, the negative impacts on Earth, the definition, where it most likely happens, and what time of year this mostly occurs. If you're good, boys and girls, you'll even get some fun facts.
What is the greenhouse effect? Is it a house that's green with an effect?
No, you silly gooses!
The nerd definition of the greenhouse effect is an atmospheric heating phenomenon caused by short-wave solar radiation being readily transmitted inward through the Earth's atmosphere, but longer wavelength heat radiation less readily transmitted outward, owing to its absorption by atmospheric carbon dioxide, water vapor, methane, and other gases. Thus, the rising level of carbon dioxide is viewed with concern.
The modern definition of short wavelengths are allowed to pass through the medium, but longer wavelengths are not, so they get trapped.
An example of this would be when the sun warms your car on a cold day, the long wavelengths cannot pass through, but get trapped in the windshield and warms up your car. The shorter wavelengths pass through, or else you wouldn't be able to see through the windshield. The greenhouse effect is created with greenhouse gases. Some examples of these are water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, fluorinated gases, and ozone.
Gases are the long wavelength items that get trapped in the atmosphere and create the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is caused by humans polluting and producing large amounts of greenhouse gases.
Not only this, but also the imbalance of respiration and photosynthesis that leaves large amounts of carbon dioxide in the air. The effects of this whole process include global warming and depletion of the ozone layer in the stratosphere. Without the ozone layer, we could be killed from harmful rays coming from the sun.
This depletion is also the start of global warming, which is the process that heats up the Earth and pretty much ruins the cycle of everything.
Obviously, we know that the greenhouse effect does not have a positive impact on the Earth, so the negative impact would be a buildup of very harmful gases that could really endanger the human race.
There's a great possibility of the world coming to an end. I know that some of you may not believe this, but the USA and China are not the leading greenhouse gas emissionists. The leaders multiple countries put together.
China may not release the most, but the levels are so high there that some people have to wear masks. China releases 23% of the world's greenhouse gases. Not only China, but the USA releases 19% of the world's greenhouse gases, even though it has not gotten to the point to where we have to wear masks to work to protect ourselves from harmful gases.
You all may know this, but I still have to tell you. The greenhouse effect does not happen during a certain season. It happens year-round, something that needs to be stopped. So fix it, people! Remember in the beginning when I said if you were good boys and girls, you would get some fun facts? Well, you weren't good, so you don't get any. Bye, guys.